ang galing mo naman, na alam mo kagad, bago ka dumating dito, na kailangan namin yung proof ng license mo as a broker, na nagdala ka kagad ng Xerox copy. Hindi nga hindi yun ang punto. Ang punto ron, nagsisinungaling kayo.
Pag hindi mo to sinagot ng tama, may mga gadirismo ka. Pinaka-latest na gadiring before Teddy Tayang was cited in contempt in this committee.
Wala po.
Wala. O di, nagsisinungaling ka.
Wala po ako matandaan, Your Honor.
And then, nagsisinungaling ka because you...
For me to be able to vote, can I ask the question from Mr. Santos?
Mr. Santos, please take your seat.
Yes po.
Please proceed, Chairman ako.
Mr. Santos, pwede po bang malaman ko? Alin po ang mas masarap? Makulong dito o makulong doon sa Bicutan City Jail?
Mas masarap po dito, Mr. Chair.
Ano ang dahilan? Kasi bago mo nasagot yun, alam mo ang dahilan dapat, di ba?
Mahirap po sa Bicutan Jail po kasi yun jail, and although empty, and hindi po siya air-conditioned, dito po, air-conditioned yung kwarto natin.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Now, anyway, we have to vote now with
Mr. Chair,
yes,
voting,
Chairman Dan.
Kasi in the last hearing, I was not present when he was cited in contempt, no? And I was not able to find out the detailed of the discussion. May I be educated briefly on what transpired on the decision of the committee regarding his detention?
Just a brief, no? It was decided, it was both Mayor Punsalan and Mr. Santos was cited in contempt on the basis of letter C, no, paragraph C of Section 11, letter C, for not answering truthfully to the query of the members of this committee. So, malabo po kasi ang sagot ni Mayor, nagtuturuan sila because during the council meeting, doon po talagang nagsimula. Because Mr. Santos is claiming na he has the authority from the Mayor while the Mayor is telling the committee na wala daw. So, dinideny din ni Mr. Santos na chief of staff siya. And when in fact, the record shows that he was not listed as an employee of Team Mexico Pampanga. San Simon, Pampanga.
But they are friends. Are you friend with the mayor?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, I really wanted to ask questions, Mr. Chairman, but with respect with our the decision of our chairman to discuss this thoroughly in the next hearing, then I will refrain from asking questions.
Thank you, Chairman Dan, kasi may undertaking naman siya, and he promised na in the next hearing, pag nagsinungaling siya ulit, wala, I will cite him in contempt, then Quezon City Jail siya.
And may I remind the Mr. Speaker that hindi na rin po binubuksan ng aircon dun sa ating facility.
Chairman ako?
Joke lang po yun.
Mr. Chair, are there any other questions from our members before we go into voting?
Wala na siguro, Chairman ako.
Thank you. May move that we lift the order of contempt insofar as Mr. Loreto Santos is concerned, and will be released as soon as the Secretary General has attested the release order. So move, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion. Duly seconded by Chairman Barbers. Any objection? The chair says that the motion is carried. Mr. Loreto Santos, again, let me remind you of all your commitment, especially the undertaking. Now, COMSEC is directed to coordinate with the Sergeant at Arms to escort, no? Mr. Loreto Santos and the medical service to have you check up before you leave the facility.
Noted, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. You're not excuse. Sergeant at Arms, please escort Mr. Santos. Let's now proceed with the issue at hand. You're raising your hand, ma'am. Please use the microphone.
Gusto ko lang pong maisingit itong reklamo namin sa kay Mayor Tumang. Kasi pabalik-balik na po kaming pumupunta dito, sa Pampanga pa po kami. Gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo kung ano po yung reklamo namin sa kanya.
During the previous hearing, di ba nagsalita na kayo?
Hindi pa po.
Ikaw, hindi pa.
Hindi
Pero ikaw, the same kayo, di ba? Issue about the land grabbing, alleged land grabbing.
Ito po sa lupa.
Ayan, sa lupa.
Sa lupa.
Ma'am, please hold lang. I will recognize you mamaya. Yung subject matter is all about Mayor Tumang with regards to the 43 million. And i-discuss po natin mamaya, no? Yung gusto mong i-discuss. I will give you at least siguro mga 5 minutes mamaya po, ma'am.
Yes po. Thank you po, Your Honor.
Yes, Comsec, please remind me. Remind me lang ako. Okay, let's proceed now with the issue with regards to Eddie Tumang. Mayor Teddy Tumang on the notice of disallowance worth 43 million. Ay, sandali po. Nakalimutan ko. Yung Eddie ang issue, no, yung Eddie ang proceed with Mayor Tumang. Daisy, why are late?
Hello sir, good afternoon po. Sir, tinignan ko po kasi yung name ko dun sa gate, wala po.
Tinignan mo yung name mo sa gate, wala?
Opo.
O, sino papasok sa'yo? Kung wala yung pangalan mo doon?
Nagtanong po ako sa window, pinakita ko po yung aking invitation, tapos pinadiretso na po ako.
No, ba't ganun katagal? You were in the gate for... Anong oras?
Ano po, around past 10:30 na po ako nakarating.
Past what?
10:30 po.
Oh, 10:30, the hearing is 10. And you arrive
Nag-park
almost
po ako.
past 11 ka na dumating.
Opo, nandun po ako sa labas para nandito po ako nag-sign po ako 11:15 dito sa gate.
Oo nga, 11:15.
Opo, nakaupo po ako dun sa likod kanina. Nakikinig po ako.
Nandiyan ka na sa likod kanina?
Opo.
At 11:15.
Opo.
So you were late for around 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Opo, kasi po na-traffic po ako papunta dito.
Oh, anyway.
From Pampanga.
Anyway, next time. Don't be late,
Okay.
Okay. Now, anyone wants to ask Daisy Giros? Yung Jimmy Simpauco, nandito ba? Jimmy, please take a seat. May kopya ba sila nito? Chairman, eto.
Wala ko yan.
Oh, bigyan mo. Anyway, Jimmy, saan ba siya?
Yes, Your Honor.
Empleyado ka ba ng Rudy?
Opo.
Anong posisyon mo doon?
Admin Aid 3 po.
Admin?
Aid 3.
Nasa field o sa office?
Sa office po,
Office.
entry clerk po ng certified true copy.
Do you know Daisy?
Oh, nakikita ko po siya.
Hindi.
Punta sa office.
Nakikita mo, wala kang transaction sa kanya.
Lumalapit po sa pag nagpapa-entry po siya ng certified true copy.
Lumalapit sa iyo.
Lumalapit din po.
O Daisy, kilala mo siya?
Yes po.
Paano mo siya nakilala?
Sa regular ko pong pagpapatransfer ng title.
So all transfer of titles na ginagawa mo kay Jimmy mo. Yun.
Hindi po.
Mga ilan?
Nung time po na nag-transfer ako, nakita ko si Sir Jimmy dun sa labas. Sa kanya ko po binigay yung documents. Akala ko po sa kanya ini-entry dahil po ginagawa during that time yung office.
Anong documents yun? Anong properties yun?
Yung transfer of title po.
Anong title yun?
Yung kay AD Yang po sa Lakeshore.
Eddie Yang sa lecture doon sa bahay niya.
Opo.
That was the first?
Opo.
Ang next?
Wala na po. Yun lang po. Yung tatlong titles.
Ayun lang?
Opo.
Ayun kay Rodingo?
Ayun po, tinransfer ko po sa bayan. Kay AD Yang po, tinransfer ko po sa pangalan ni Rudingo.
Daisy sabihin mo ng lahat. Kasi alam din namin kung anong lahat ng mga transaksyon mo. Well, in fact, we have videos na nandun ka. Kahit sa mga gatherings.
Wala po.
Anong wala? Do you want it to be produced? I-play namin? Huwag ka kami sinungaling, nandyan ka. Kasama kayo ni Eddie Yang?
Gatherings wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Yes po.
Oh. Pag-check nyo nga yung video o pictures na ano. Ito, sinungaling to. Oh, Jimmy.
Yes po.
So, trabaho mo ba? Paano labas dyan? Sa labas ka raw nakita. That was the first transfer of
Hindi po, meron
title?
po kaming makeshift building po ron dahil ginagawa po yung building. Pumunta po siya ron, doon po yung certified true copy na entry. Lumapit po siya sa akin.
Pero that was the first and the last.
Opo,
Wala nang iba?
wala na po.
Kailan yon?
Hindi ko na po matanda na, Your Honor.
Anong hindi matandaan?
Kasi po
More or
marami
less,
po
anong taon?
napupuntang mga tao sa amin, almost 120 persons yung in-enter namin mga certified true copy po.
Hindi, ang tanong ko nga sa inyo, yung transaksyon ni Keros, kailan yon? Year.
Hindi ko na po
Okay, Ros, kailan yon?
October po.
October of what?
2023.
Oh. Jimmy,
Hindi na po kasi
Ito sa year ago, tapos hindi mo matandaan?
pag ano po kasi hindi na namin naano yung mga dami po kasing tao.
Hindi sabi mo, namumukhaan mo si Daisy.
Oo.
Oh, that was October. Tama?
Yes po.
O last year lang yung Jimmy.
Sir, pag pa-transfer po kasi kung minsan hindi ko na matandaan kailan yung dinala nila, ganun.
ROD, yung red. October, he was already cited in contempt. Pero yung sale nyo,
Your Honor, we were not yet aware of those circumstances at that
nandito ka
time.
noon, wala ka ba dito nung first second hearing?
No, Your Honor, I was
Sino
not,
yung nandito noon? Represent the PIDA LRA.
I don't remember anymore, but I came to know of the circumstances regarding A.D. Yang sometime in November 27, 2023.
Bakit November 27? Matandaan mo yung November 27, 2023. Bakit?
Because we heard you say it in your opening statement in one of the hearings, Your Honor.
And that was the first time that you attended the hearing?
I am not anymore sure, Your Honor, if that was the first time. But it was not actually in November 27 that I heard the opening statement. It was only sometime in May.
Sometime in May?
Yes, Your Honor, because I remember I was subpoenaed, but I was on leave from April 10 to May 6. And then we had a hearing.
And anyway, ito naman tayo, di ba? Kasi pag tinanong naman kayo, bakit ganon? Sinasabi niyo lagi ministerial. Di ba? May transfer, etc. etc.
Yes,
Well, in fact, may problema nga dun sa, di ba? Sa notary public, na-establish niya last hearing. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you recognize that, problem, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dininay ng
Yes, Your Honor.
Eto si Daisy, until now, you're not telling this committee the truth because mismo yung notary public that appears in that document denied. So, nagsisinungaling ka.
Your Honor, hindi ko po yun tinodge. In good faith po, nagpanotaryo po ako. I don't know po ano pong ginawa ng mga sekretary niya doon. Meron po,
I
ito
would
po
say
yung
that you forged it. Ay, sandali. Nobody accuses you of forging it. Ang sinasabi ko lang is, the fact is, and it was confirmed during the previous hearing, na dininay ng notary public. Ikaw, you keep on insisting na yung opisina na yon.
Opo.
Na well, in fact, yung Quezon City, na sinasabing opisina, it was already established last hearing din.
Yes po, yung J5MB Documentary Services po, Documentation Services.
Dininay nga ng notary public.
Doon po ako nagpanotaryo.
Hindi nga, sinasabi ko, dininay na mismo ng abogada O na
I
nandito.
don't know po.
And in the records, wala.
Hindi ko na po alam yung ginawa ng sekretary dun sa
Sige nga,
document.
sino sekretary niya?
Hindi ko po alam ang pangalan. Basta dalawang lalaki at isang babae lang po yung nandun sa office. J5MB Documentation Services po.
So, hindi mo inarap yung abogado?
Nung pong ginigay ko po dun sa sekretary yung dokumento, lumabas po siya.
Sino lumabas?
Yung pong sekretary sa loob ng Documentation Services po.
Nung previous na mga transaction na Eddie Yang with regards to the properties, yung tatlo na properties niya, ganun din nangyari?
Yun nga po yung pinanotaryo ko doon.
And then before that, sino nag-facilitate nung properties na yan? Yung Lakewood.
Lakeshore po.
Lakeshore.
Hindi po ako. Hindi po
Sino?
ako nag-transfer. Ibang broker po siguro. Baka in-house broker po dun sa Lakeshore.
Si ano nga eh. Si Barangay Captain Lorenzo. Ayun. Nasa Lorenzo, alam niya eh. Si Kapitan, saan ba? Nandito ba si Kapitan? O Kapitan, kilala mo ba siya?
Hindi ko kilala si...
Ay, hindi mo kilala? Ano June, minsan lang pag may mag-testify na lahat na or most of the transaction being made by Daisy Quiros dumadaan sa'yo, problema mo. June? Jimmy?
Sir?
Ano?
Paki-repeat na lang po yung tanong.
As sabi ko, if somebody will testify that that is not only the first and the last transaction being made by Daisy Quiros to you personally, magka-problema ka.
Opo.
Kaya you better ano yung recollection mo
Oh. Yun lang po, lagi po siya nagpupunta, certified true copy lang po.
Lagi siyang pumupunta, certified
Opo,
true copy
certified
lang.
true copy po yung nire-request.
So in short, hindi lang minsan.
Opo, na-tempo lang po yung binigyan niya sa akin noon, sale. Tinignan ko lang po, tapos inayos lang, tapos pinapunta ko na siya sa loob. Pipila siya.
So mga ilang beses yun, nakita mo siya doon, nagpo-process.
Lagi po siya doon, pero hindi po ako laging kausap, yun lang po yun.
O Daisy, lagi ka daw doon eh. So it's not only that property.
Hello po. Iba pong property yun sa San Jose, San Simon at saka po Sukad, Apalit, Pampanga po yung pinaka-certified true copy ko.
Kanino yun?
Dun sa mga farmers po.
Mga farmers?
Yes po.
So yung kahidiyang itong tatlong property lang?
Hindi ko po alam yung iba po.
Hindi, sinasabi ko nga ito lang yung tatlong property na may transaction ka with Idiyang.
Yes po, yan lang po pinatransfer sa akin.
Experto, ma'am.
Nung 2018 po, in middle 2017 and 18, nakilala ko po si Eddie Yang through ex-mayor Mayora Wong. Leonora Wong po.
Ng San Simon.
Yes po.
So, yung sa Sunflower yun.
Hindi po, marami po kasing mga hente. Meron po akong binenta rin po sa Global Asiana, meron po sa iba-iba na po kasi nakilala ko po si Mayora Wong as mayor sa San Simon. Minsan po, naghahanap po sa akin ng property na pwedeng ialok sa Global Asiana.
Daisy again, ang tanong ko kanina, if somebody will have a proof na kasama mo sa isang gathering si Eddie Yang, that you're very close to Eddie Yang, ay problema mo yun. I will cite you in contempt.
Yes po, nung pong year 2018 po yan.
Saan?
Sa San Simon po.
Hindi, anong gatherings? Anong events?
Meron po akong tinanong birthday niya, that was 2018.
Ano yan, ano?
Birthday po niya, ay, Christmas party po. That was 2018 po.
Birthday?
Ano po, Christmas.
Christmas party? Nino?
Yes po. Nung pong, yung pong mga office, employee.
Employee nino?
Ni AD po.
Oh, you're not an employer with Eddie Yang?
Nung 2018 po.
O, kita mo. Ay, ikaw, Daisy, talagang pag hindi kita tinanong ng isa-isa, ayaw mo mag-operate.
Hindi po, kung ano lang po
hindi?
kasi
Kanina ka pa eh.
yung pong tatanong nyo, yan lang po kasi sinasagot ko.
Hindi, ang sinasabi ko nga, kanina nung tinanong kita, sabi mo, hindi mo masyadong kilala si Eddie Yang. Nung tinanong kita, I will say, if somebody will prove that indeed, nandun ka sa isang gathering, sabi mo kanina, hindi. Wala. Ngayon,
Hindi, naalala ko na nga po nung 2018, umattend po ako ng Christmas party.
anyway, chairman ako, please proceed. Hindi pa ako tapos sa'yo, Daisy.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, please proceed.
pwede ko po bang malaman kay Daisy?
Yes po.
Paano mo na-meet si Eddie Yang?
From-
Sino ang nag-introduce sa'yo? Hindi ko nakuha kanina yung sagot mo eh.
Mga ahente po. Tapos, po ako nakatransact po si Mayora Wong regarding lost title po na binenta po sa Global Asiana.
So, ang nag-kuhan sa'yo is the late Vice Mayor Wong.
Opo.
In the last hearing, natanong ka po na bakit binigyan ka ng authority ni Eddie Yang ano yung authority na yun. Ang sagot mo, it was to facilitate sales and notarizing documents. Tama po ba?
Opo.
Sinabi mo rin doon sa hearing na yun that you confirmed that you're a licensed broker.
Yes po.
Having obtained yung broker's license mo in 2008.
Opo.
And you agreed to submit your license records to the committee for verification. As a matter of fact, you were required to submit proof of your broker's license. Tama po ba?
Opo.
May submit mo na?
Hindi po ako na-notify about that. Na sabi ko yung
Ay, sa hearing eh. Sinagot mo ngayon, binabasa ko ngayon nangyari eh.
Ayun pong identification card ko
Hindi
po.
ba ni-require ka na mag-submit ka na proof
Identification
na license
po.
broker's
Opo.
license,
Opo.
license broker ka?
Opo.
Oh, nag-submit ka na ba ng proof?
Opo, yung
As
pong
required?
PRC license ko po.
Comsec, may I know if the resource person is telling the truth?
Mr. Chair, we have not yet received any document from Ms. Quiros.
Yung pong identification
Makukulong ka
card
rin
ko
sa bikutan, gusto mo?
Hindi.
Kasi bawal na rito magkulong kami dahil may zona sa 22.
Ang naisubmit ko po yung PRC license ko po as broker.
Naisubmit mo?
Opo, binigay ko po nung last time.
Eh, wala nga sinasabi yung
Mr.
aming
Chair,
Comsec
our
dito.
staff denies it.
Nag-submit po ako ng PRC license nung last time po. As broker po, yung PRC license ko na kinuha pa po sa akin nung
Sino sa dito mo binigay?
ano po yung photocopy po ng license.
Sino nga rito pinagbigyan mo?
Hindi ko po nakilala na yung pong facilitate, yung pong ano dito.
May quorum pa ba tayo?
In my capacity as temporary chairman of this committee, may we ask the COMSEC if we still have a quorum?
Ito po yung sinubmit ko yung PRC
We
license.
still have a quorum, Honorable Akop. We still have a quorum.
Kasi nagsisinungaling ka eh.
Hindi, nag-submit po ako ng PRC license last time.
Ano nga ang proof mo na nag-submit ka?
Xerox copy po yung binigay
Sagutin
ko.
mo yung tanong ko muna dahil ini-establish ko na kung paano kita isa-cite in contempt.
May we direct the resource speaker to please present any proof of your submission of the PRC ID? It is a common practice when you submit something, you should have something to show as proof.
PRC license po.
Yes, do you have a receiving copy of that PRC license to prove that you indeed submitted to this committee?
Ano po, inano ko lang po, binigay ko lang po yung Xerox copy sa bond paper na naka-Xerox po yung PRC license ko. Yun lang po sinubmit ko last time.
That is not a valid submission, Ms. Daisy Quiros.
Yes po.
You acknowledge that?
Yes po.
By your representation that you did not ask for any receiving of your PRC license, that is tantamount to saying that there was no valid submission of the requirement that is being asked from you. Honorable Akop?
Oo, hindi. Miss, kinuha mo pinasirok siyang yung dokumentong yan.
Dala-dala ko po last time.
Dala mo dito sa hearing.
Opo.
And dito ka nagpa-Xerox.
Hindi po, dala-dala ko na po siya Xerox copy.
So may dala ka ng Xerox.
Nung last time po.
And then you submitted it to the COMSEC here.
Opo.
And then you never asked for any receiving copy coming from the COMSEC kasi they were denying
Wala.
that you have submitted that documents. And
Hindi po.
we will be asking you to refrain from lying. If you did not submit it, then say it. Wala namang problema eh. Kaya ma-contempt ka. Yung Xerox
Hindi
copy.
po, Xerox copy po. Meron pa pong 3 signature yun.
At wala kang receiving copy na natanggap ng mga COMSEC. Kasi this COMSEC will never lie. If you have submitted some documents pertaining to your statement, they will tell us.
Opo yan.
Kaso wala silang na-receive eh. Hindi
ko
ang problem
po,
mo eh.
Hindi ko po ni-receive siguro. Hindi ko napa-receive.
Mr. Chairman, ako, instead na sabihin mo na nagkamali ka, pinaninindigan mo eh. Kasi parang biniblame mo yung ating COMSEC that they received something from you, but in actuality, wala ka naman sinubmit. Mr. Chair, I submit.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, kung wala po, ito po yung PRC ID ko, pwede ko naman pong isubmit yung
That
photocopy.
is not the point.
Hindi yan ang point.
Hindi po yun ang punto, Ceci. Ang galing mo naman na alam mo kagad bago ka dumating dito na kailangan namin yung proof ng license mo as a broker na nagdala ka kagad ng Xerox copy. Kaya yung tanong nila Honorable Dan Fernandez, saan mo pina-Xerox? Kasi nung araw na yon, noon lang namin hiningi yun na isasubmit mo sa next meeting. Di ba? Ngayon, wala naman sa minutes of the meeting na ikaw ay pinag-submit namin ng iyong kwan. Ang nasa minutes ay magsasubmit ka tong araw na ito. Eh, nagsisinungaling ka eh.
Hindi. Anyway, kung ano po, pero po.
Hindi nga eh. Hindi yun ang punto. Ang punto ron, nagsisinungaling ka eh ha. Bawal dito magsinungaling kasi nanumpa ka na magsasabi ka ng katotohanan.
Yes po.
Mali na doon ang timano.
I'm sorry po kung yun mo po kasi natatandaan ko.
Mr. Chair, I think you have some questions.
Yeah, this will be the last question or else, alam mo may quorum kami dito. Si Chairman Barbers nasa labas lang and si Kit, then as per we said to the chair na whatever will be the vote of the members, they will join the and they are monitoring now and we have 2 in the Zoom. So, ang total numbers of members now present, including the Zoom, is 8. And we will need 7. Now, last question ko. Pag hindi mo to sinagot ng tama, bahala na yung mga members dito. Sabi mo kasi kanina, it's only in one occasion. Magkasama kayo ni Eddie Tayang. Na I'm telling this committee na hindi ka-associate ni Eddie Tayang. And, tanongin kita, again, last na lang, may mga gatherings pa ba? Na sumama ko, wala? May mga gatherings pa ba? Pinaka-latest na gathering before Eddie Tayang was cited in contempt in this committee.
Wala po.
Wala. O di, nagsisinungaling ka.
Wala po ako matandaan, Your Honor.
And then, nagsisinungaling ka because you will never forget that. Because that was the time when Mayor Roding assumes office as the mayor of Mexico, Pampanga, when a dismissal order was issued by Ombudsman. It was a gathering of all investors. And you were there. You were there.
Hindi ko po matandaan yun.
Ay, yan ang the best excuse of all liars. Hindi matandaan. Eh, ano na yan? Uso yan. Matagal na. Anyway.
Your Honor, hindi ko nga po matandaan yung... Basta last time ko po...
Tandaan mo nga yung 2018 na Christmas party? Ito lately lang. When Mayor Roding assumes office, nandun lahat ng mga investor, and that includes Eddie Tayang. And you were there.
Wala po ako, Your Honor.
Nako. Di, nagsisinungaling yung mga members dito sa House. Somebody knew you. That you were there. Kasi alam ng isang member dito, hindi lang isa, some members in this House, in this 19th Congress, na-associate ka. Eddie Yang, you are facilitating all the documents of Eddie Yang.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Yes,
marami naman po kasing broker si Eddie, hindi lang po ako.
Hindi, ikaw lang yan. Ang sinasabi ko.
Yes po.
Yung involvement mo. You were there.
Wala po ako natatandaan binaluhang investor. Wala po ako doon, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Chairman.
Well, anyway, once a liar will always be. Anyway, ano ma'am? Ano pangalan ni ma'am?
Daisy po.
Daisy, ma'am, Daisy. Ilan po ba yung mga na-transact nyo na kay Mr. Eddie Yang?
Nung San Simon po.
Ha?
Yung sa San Simon po, tsaka yung sa Lakeshore. Kasi po during that time po, na-live out.
Yun lang tinatanong ko, mga ilang transaction nyo po kay Mr. Eddie Yang?
Natatandaan ko po yung sa San Simon.
Alam mo, you started with our asking you questions with lies, no? And it's hard for us to believe anymore the statements that you're going to deliver on this committee. Please refrain, no? Tigilan na natin. We will giving you a chance na para magbalik yung aming tiwala sa iyo. What we are asking is yung transactions that you have with Eddie Yang, no? So, kanina, tinatanong kita, ulitin ko. So, ilang transaction yung nagawa mo kay Eddie Yang? Hindi mo makakalimutan yan kasi si Eddie Yang, ang daming corporation. Alam mo ba kung ilang corporation niya? 50.
Yes po.
50 corporations. At ang dami niyang mga ektarya-ektaryang nabiling lupa. So ngayon ang tanong, ilan yung transaction mo sa kanya?
Sa San Simon lang po, tsaka po yung sa Lakeshore po, ang naging transaction. Dahil po meron na pong ibang ahente na left out
O
na
yung
po
sa San
ako.
Simon, ilang ektarya ang naging transaction mo?
Mga ano lang po, mga 6 na landowners lang po.
6 na land, hindi, ilang ektarya yon?
May 1.2, 1.8.
Ilan na naging commission mo doon?
5% lang po.
5%. Magkano yung 5% na yun? Kasi we'll be asking sa susunod kung you paid the government specific taxes for that 5%. Kaya never lie, no? So sa 5% na yun, doon lamang sa sinasabi mo sa San Simon ba yan?
Opo.
Magkano yung 5%?
5% po nung mga ano lang po, yung mga 7 hectares lang po yung nabenta ko.
7 hectares?
Yes po.
O magkano yung 5%?
Dun sa 400 per square meter po.
So, okay, anyway, doon sa susunod, ilang hektarya naman ang na-transact mo?
Wala na po kasi na left out na po ako.
Dalawa yung sinasabi mong transaction, di ba?
Yung sa ano lang po, yung sa Lakeshore po na
Yung
pag-transfer.
sa Lakeshore, ilang hektarya yun?
Bali 1,500 plus square meter.
1,500 hectares?
Hindi po, square meter po.
Square meter. So, you have a relationship with Eddie Yang?
Wala po, transaction lang po as client ko po.
Okay nga. And the reason why the chair were asking you a while ago, dahil somebody saw you doon sa area when the good chair was asking about your presence and you cannot remember. Pero ito, yung commission mo, you remember.
Yun lang po kasi natatandaan ko kasi nung time
Mas
na yun,
importante ang relasyon kaysa pera. O mas importante ang pera kaysa relasyon.
wala pong, ano lang po, relation po na between client ko siya as a broker po ako. And then later po, na-left out na rin na po ako dahil binawalan po ako ng mga kapitan mag-agent doon.
Okay, doon sa percentage na nakuha mo doon sa commission mo, were you able to pay the necessary taxes?
Ano lang po?
Nagbabayad ka ba ng income tax?
Yes po.
Can you kindly submit to us? When was this transaction?
Ano po? Hindi ko po, ito pong kay AD Yang hindi ko po na-submit sa mga subdivision po na sasubmit ko.
O, paano yan? Patay ka na dyan. Hindi ka nagbabayad ng tamang buwis. Are you a licensed, Are you a licensed broker?
Yes po.
You will be suspended or baka ma-revoke ang license mo for not paying the right taxes in the government. Alam mo ba yan? Please submit to us your ITR in relation to the year that you have received your percentage of your commission on that transaction with Eddie Yang. Please submit in the next hearing.
Yes
Okay?
po. Paano po yung ano? Kasi po nung time na yun, sa huge property na bili po ng kumpanya.
Ano? Nagbabayad din ba ng income tax?
Opo.
O, di! Madali mo sagutin yun.
Hindi
Nagbabayad
po.
ka pala ng income
Ay,
tax.
hindi ko sabihin
Masabit
po.
mo sa amin.
Kasi po